Hi casual travelers, so this is me Tishari. So today I went to, can you see the back side? Yeah, so I went to street food festival in Dubai. So it started from 7 June and it will end in August. So what are you waiting for? Just come inside in the Burjuman, in the back side of the Burjuman mall near Philly, and just take your dish. It's all Philippines, some of them are even Indian cuisine also available here, and also the street food of Philippines. Come and enjoy here.
Order na po, puto bongbong, avocado, mango graham, halo-halo po, puto bongbong. They have different kinds of puto bongbong, okay? Special leche plan, salted egg, and leche plan. And halo-halo also. We have too much variety of halo-halo. So try na, okay? Thank you.
Welcome. Bye. Also there are going on some programs in right now it's already ended, so it's almost like what the time now, it's almost 9, so it's already ended. So after before 7 to 9 there is a good program is going on, some singing, some dancing also. So come and enjoy here, and also don't forget to follow back me, Casual Traveler. Bye everyone.